Yo, what is up, guys? Thank you for returning and watching another video. Today I'm going to update you guys on VSLR, Vivint Solar. It's a solar panel company. They sell many other products like home automation, and I really like this company. I bought this company about some shares about 2 weeks ago around this price range, and I did a mistake because I bought it with a day trading mindset. But either way, I believe the stock is going to continue to uptrend. But anyways, let me continue and update you on the stock. It came down here. I was at about $400. It went up here, and I broke even and profited $100. I didn't sell my shares yet, and I'm still holding it. Now I'm down $200, and I see that it's been confirming this kind of support from previous resistance. So if we zoom out, you see up here, it comes here, peaks, and this acts as a resistance during this time. It comes back down, and then comes all the way up to this resistance here, confirms that resistance, and now the high is 982, and then comes right back down to this support, which was previous resistance. Over here, you can also see that it kind of like hit this general area and went back down, hit this general area, went back down, hit this general area, went back down, like about 3 times. And someone would say this is like kind of a flat symmetrical triangle. If you watch my technical analysis video on YouTube, you would kind of know what a flat symmetrical triangle is. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to put a card right now so you can go ahead and watch that video, or wait until this video is done and click the link down in the description, and therefore you won't miss the rest of this video. But anyways, it seems like it's a flat symmetrical triangle. It breaks out of it, continues to uptrend, continues to bounce in between these, this uptrend here, resistance and support. But anyways, now let me zoom in to get a better picture. Now we're kind of seeing like this line right here, this resistance line, I kind of put it. But anyways, this can actually just continue to make a lower low. And that's what I'm hoping it does not do. If it does that, I'm going to continue. I'm just going to cut my losses right there, like around this area, 731. If it makes a lower low, if it breaks this general area here, I'm going to sell the stock and just take whatever loss I accumulated over time. But these are the possibilities that this trend can go. It can continue bouncing up and down in its general area, support, resistance, can continue to do that and go back in this general area right here. Or it can go ahead and continue to bounce up here in the resistance, continue to test this as a new support, and then widen its gap. Or it could also consolidate in between this resistance around $10, 982 to 783, 740, around there. So it just consolidate for a bit and then make newer highs or newer lows. Anyways, you can't really tell for sure where direction of stock is because there's so many variables that goes into a stock price. But you can have your own general idea and identifying patterns in which do repeat themselves in the future, as proven in previous patterns. So that's basically the video for today. I'm still going to hold this stock. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and turning on that notification bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. And if you have any questions, comment down below. What I'm going to start doing now is I'm going to start taking in requests. So if you have a ticker symbol that you would like me to analyze and would like to have my opinion on, go ahead, comment that ticker symbol and type analyze right next to the ticker symbol. I'll make a video as soon as possible, and I'll release that on YouTube. And then if you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, you'll be notified when that ticker symbol gets covered on this channel. But anyways, have a good day, and peace, guys.